Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Alexa Bundles is probably one of the most exciting ways to upgrade your smart home experience, offering a curated selection of devices designed to work seamlessly together, from smart speakers and displays to lighting and security systems, all bundled at a value that makes going all in on Amazon's ecosystem more accessible and convenient than ever before, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck while kickstarting or expanding your connected living space with intelligent automation and entertainment. Number 5. Echo Show 8, 2nd Gen, 2021, Smart Display. Introducing the Echo Show 8, a brilliant HD smart display designed to enhance your daily life. Its vibrant touchscreen and immersive sound bring your content to life like never before. Never miss a moment with the new 13MP camera. It automatically frames and centers you during video calls, ensuring you're always in view. Just ask Alexa to connect you. Manage your schedule, get cooking inspiration, and control your day with simple voice commands. It's your personal assistant for a more organized and efficient home. Easily monitor and control your compatible smart home devices. Use the interactive display or your voice to manage lights, cameras, and more, even when you're away. Enjoy your favorite TV shows and movies in stunning HD, stream music from popular services or ask Alexa to play your preferred playlists. Transform your home screen into a beautiful digital photo frame. Its adaptive color technology ensures your pictures look stunning in any lighting condition. We are committed to protecting your privacy. It features multiple layers of control, including a physical camera shutter and microphone camera off button. What we like. If you love video calls and want a central hub for your home, this is for you. Its large screen and auto-framing camera make connecting with loved ones effortless. If you want to manage your smart home and enjoy entertainment on a vibrant display, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Echo Show 8 has a vibrant display and clear sound quality, making it great for video calls and watching videos. The smart home control features are intuitive and easy to set up, allowing seamless integration with other devices. Alexa's voice recognition is impressive, accurately understanding commands even in noisy environments. Number 4. Roku Indoor Camera 2-Pack. Keep an eye on your home from anywhere. Check in on your kids and pets easily using your Roku TV, player, or the mobile app. See every detail in stunning 1080p HD color, even in complete darkness or bright sunlight. Get a clear picture of any room, anytime. Access a live stream, adjust settings, and even speak through the camera using the convenient Roku Smart Home mobile app. Receive immediate notifications when motion or sound is detected. Stay informed whether you're home or away. Easily check your camera feed directly on your Roku TV or player. Just press a button or use Roku Voice to see what's happening. Enhance your security with optional cloud recording and smart detection for people, pets, and packages. Get only the alerts that matter. What we like. For those who want comprehensive home monitoring, this 2-pack is ideal. The color night vision ensures you see every detail, day or night. If you're looking for an easy way to check on pets or kids and view feeds directly on your Roku TV, this is the smart solution. What people say. The Alexa Bundle package deals are a great way to get multiple devices for your smart home setup. This bundle includes an Echo Dot, a smart plug, and a smart bulb, allowing you to control lights and appliances with your voice. The setup process is straightforward and can be completed in minutes through the Alexa app. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Switch Kit P-BDG PKG2WA. Experience ultra-fast and reliable smart lighting control. Our system works without Wi-Fi, ensuring dependable performance that goes beyond typical Wi-Fi switches. Add a new switch location in under 15 minutes. Simply replace your existing switch and mount the remote anywhere you need control, for a seamless integration. Enjoy ultra-fast and stable performance with our smart hub that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi. It provides dependable smart lighting control, unlike standard Wi-Fi dimmers. Manage your lighting remotely using our app. Set scenes, schedules, and use features like geofencing and timers for complete smart home automation. Our dimmer switch features a sleek, modern design that complements your existing switches. It offers a premium smart dimmer experience that blends beautifully. This is one of the most connected smart lighting systems available. It works with popular platforms like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Ring. Experience premium, flicker-free dimming for your LEDs. We ensure compatibility with a wide range of dimmable LEDs, providing smooth control down to low light levels. What we like. If you prioritize reliable smart lighting control that doesn't depend on your Wi-Fi, this kit is a game changer. It's incredibly easy to install and offers broad compatibility with other smart home systems. If you're looking for dependable, flexible lighting control for any room, this is the one to get. What people say. The Alexa bundle package deals are a great value for getting multiple devices at a discounted price. The setup process for the Alexa bundle package deals is straightforward and can be completed in minutes. The sound quality of the Echo devices in a bundle is impressive, providing a rich and clear audio experience. Number 2. Amazon Echo. Newest model, Deep Sea Blue. Introducing the newest Amazon Echo. Featuring vibrant sound and designed to work seamlessly with Alexa. It's the perfect addition to any room in your home. Enjoy your favorite music, audiobooks, and podcasts from various streaming services or via Bluetooth. Fill your home with rich sound, no matter where you are. Let Alexa assist you with daily tasks. Ask for weather updates, set timers, get answers to your questions, or even hear a joke. You can even tap it to snooze your alarm. Control your compatible smart home devices with simple voice commands. Set up routines to automatically adjust lights or fans based on motion or temperature for ultimate comfort. Enhance your audio experience by pairing multiple devices for whole home music or create an immersive home theater system with Fire TV. It's designed to expand your entertainment possibilities. This device also acts as a mesh Wi-Fi extender, boosting your Aero network's coverage by up to 1,000 square feet. Enjoy a stronger, more reliable connection throughout your home. Your privacy is important. It's built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a microphone off button, ensuring your personal information is protected. What we like. This compact speaker is perfect for smaller spaces like bedrooms or offices. It delivers surprisingly vibrant sound and Alexa's helpfulness in a small package. If you need a smart speaker that also extends your Wi-Fi coverage, this is an excellent, space-saving option. What people say. The Alexa bundle package deals is a great value for the price. I love how easy it is to set up and use the Alexa bundle package deals. The sound quality of the Alexa bundle package deals is amazing. Number 1. Amazon Echo, newest model, Twilight Blue. Immerse yourself in rich, detailed audio that fills any room. It even supports high-definition lossless audio for a superior listening experience. Stream your favorite songs from a wide variety of services like Amazon Music, Apple Music, and Spotify. Just ask, and it plays. Effortlessly manage your compatible smart home devices with simple voice commands. Set up lights, locks, and sensors with ease. Need a timer, reminder, or an answer to a quick question? Just ask Alexa, and she'll be there to assist you. Start your day or evening with simple actions. Trigger lights, get your news briefing, or even start your coffee maker just by entering a room. Enjoy synchronized music throughout your home or create an immersive home theater experience. You can even extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Stay connected with friends and family through voice calls or instantly communicate with others in your home. Dinner's ready. Just announce it. What we like. For those who appreciate superior audio and want a central smart home controller, this is the ultimate choice. Its premium sound fills any room, and the built-in hub simplifies managing your smart devices. If you're looking for an immersive audio experience and seamless smart home integration, this is the speaker for you. What people say. The Alexa bundle package deals is a great value for the price. I love how easy it was to set up the Alexa bundle package deals. The sound quality on the Alexa bundle package deals is amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.